Hello, beautiful people. A very good morning, all of you. Hope you all are doing great, and I'm doing fantastic today. Today, I have come here another new place. Just look at the view. Okay, so I have come here, village side, as you can see. Just look at the view, and it's morning time, so there is a big pond, and I have come here English speaking practice purpose. So in this video I will speak English very slowly so that you can understand me very easily. So I think it will be very easy to learn English. Okay, and as you can see, there are two cows. They are eating grass, right? So it's not cow, we can say it is a calf because it's very little, right? So it is a calf, and the calf is eating grass. Okay. Yeah, so that is a cow, and I'm walking. Yeah, it's a cow. So the cow is eating grass, right? And there is a big pond. Just look, the pond. It's a big pond, and there are so many buildings over there. There are so many trees over there, right? Yeah, my camera quality is not good, but I'm trying to show you. Just a look at the middle. There are two fishermen, and they are trying to catch fish. Okay, and yeah, morning time, so I can't the sun, but okay. So if you are beginner, then you can watch slow English speaking video, and I think you will be able to understand slow English speaking video, and that is why I'm trying to make slow English speaking video. And this is a tree, and this tree is next to the pond. This tree is next to the pond, and I am close to this tree. Okay, so that's it for today. I don't want it more longer. Goodbye, have a good day, and thank you for watching this video.